Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Earn with me. So today I am back with a good loot video guys. So firstly, before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any loot, okay? So today first loot is Apollo X guys. So it would be giving us $5 loot. So let us get back to it, okay? So firstly you need an account in Apollo X guys. So let us create a free account, okay? So you need to create an account. If you don't have one, you can create one. If you have one, you can leave it, okay? So for creating account, click on create account and pass the captcha guys. So position is not correct, I think so. So we have completed this guys. So after this you would be getting an verification code to your mail. So just check your mail guys. So the dashboard would be looking like this guys. After this I would be giving the form link in my telegram channel. So you need to fill a form. So I would be telling how and why. So as you can see, this is for every user guys. $5 as welcome bonus and $5 as trading bonus. With the trading bonus, if you could do it correctly, you can earn around $100 to $500. You can earn up to $10,000 also, but you need training experience, okay? So I'd be showing you what is your Apollo X user ID. You need to go to my Apollo X ID so that you can copy it, okay? So my user ID is this. So copy it guys. So go back. So copy this and you need to give your Telegram ID, okay? So you can uh, participate with two IDs guys, not more than two, because if you use more IDs there are chances to get banned. Click on submit, okay? So we have completed our first loot guys. So coming to the second loot, it is the biggest loot of all the time guys. So because we can use fake referral and fake KYC too, so I would be showing you how. So firstly you need to create an account in S1 guys, okay? So let's close this all. So firstly you need to create an account in this, okay? Let us create an account. So give all the details guys. After giving all the details, just open your ID, okay? So click on remember me, click on sign in. So as you can see, you have nothing in your wallet. So firstly how to do it? So as you can see, USDT Sona airdrop program. So log in to claim 20 Sona daily, okay? So KYC now guys, you need to click on KYC now. So how to do fake KYC, I would be telling you right now guys, okay? Firstly open Chrome guys, okay? Go to Google, search Aadhaar card, okay? After searching for Aadhaar card, click on images, okay guys? As you can see, you have unlimited Aadhaar cards, okay? So firstly this is used only for educational purposes guys, but do not do it for something else, okay? So this is only for loot purpose, do not use it for other purposes. So I would be showing you how to do KYC and everything. So you, as you know, you should type your full name, the address in the Aadhaar card, please choose a country in the Aadhaar card. So select photo, identify photo is anything, you can keep anything guys. So just drop the same photo of Aadhaar card, okay? uh, you don't have to be there, okay? Click on submit. After clicking on submit, you would be getting some Sona tokens guys, okay? So log in to claim Sona daily. As you can see here, you can claim Sona 20 Sona daily, okay? If you want more Sona, you need more accounts, okay? So this is also completed guys, but you need to complete KYC. It is only nearly 2 to 3 hours guys, because I have already created two accounts, so it's working fine. So let us also do it, okay? So after this I will be showing you another loot guys. So the loot comes here is coming chat, okay? So coming chat is already a popular one, guys, but it does not have its app in Google Play Store. So as you can see, BS in the left side top corner below the time symbol. So click there, go to my wallet. Okay, go to my wallet. So as you can see, we have right side a mining symbol, guys. So shovel symbol. Okay, click on the shovel symbol, guys. So after clicking on that shovel symbol, you can see Sheerpax virtual miner, guys. So this one coin is equal to $45, guys. Okay, so 1 KSX equal to $45. So you have nothing to do, guys. You can do it very easily. So as you can see, beside your balance there is time running, guys. So firstly we need to click on that. Every 24 hours we need to claim our thing. Okay, so whatever we have claimed, you need to start again. Every 24 hours you need to claim again. So after clicking this, as you can see, we will also be getting one NFT, guys. So this is an old NFT, guys. I have already two NFTs, but one is old one and one is the new one. So depending upon the serial number, so as you can see the digits on the number, not serial number, below the serial number you can see some digits. Okay, so depending on that number you would be mining speed, the speed will be increased. Okay, as you can see 9 to 12 digits equal to 0.0005 ksx. So as much as less digits your NFT has, as much as power you would be getting, guys. Okay, so as of now we can only mine, guys. As of now you should mine. Okay, so after mining, I would be updating where to sell, what are the NFTs, how can we sell, where is the market, everything, guys. So if you like the video, please give a like, guys. So I am eagerly waiting for some likes, guys, because I am making good videos, but I am not getting huge response. If you share the video, I would be more happy. Thank you so much, guys.